Hello there everyone, welcome back to Press for Truth TV. Thanks for tuning in once again. Today is Wednesday, February the 1st, 2012, and today I uploaded for my weekly video report a video about ACTA, the Anti Counterfeiting Trade Agreement, which is a treaty that seeks to, yet again, try to take over the internet and censor the free flow of information, all under the guise of protecting intellectual property. Now there's a whole another aspect of this that I didn't really get into in the weekly video report that I just wanted to bring to your attention today for today's daily video, and that is the fact that this ACTA treaty is now being used not only for intellectual property in the cyber world, but also in the physical world in regards to medicines and food. We're currently seeing an attempt by Big Pharma to maintain their monopoly on the pharmaceutical industries by claiming counterfeiting intellectual property. As you'll see from this article today from Oxfam International, Anti Counterfeiting Trade Agreement could endanger lives of people needing affordable medicines. Trade ministers from the countries negotiating ACTA will meet in Switzerland to discuss controversial rules that would strengthen and expand monopolies of multinational drug companies in developing countries. In its current form, the agreement will inhibit generic competition and will have a devastating impact on access to medicines in developing countries. Negotiating countries are cynically using legitimate fears of counterfeit medicines to exert greater control over the trade in generic medicines to poor countries. ACTA is proposing a new expanded framework of intellectual property protections on behalf of multinational drug companies, which will be combined with border measures to stifle the trade in legitimate generic medicines. This will mean that poor people will be denied legitimate and life-saving generic medicines. So not only is this being used as an attempt to censor the internet and the free flow of information, but it's also being used by Big Pharma to maintain their monopoly on the pharmaceutical industry, and basically using this treaty as a way to stop poorer developing countries from developing these generic drugs, which they simply just can't afford to get the real deal, I guess you could call it. So not only, though, is this being used to control the pharmaceutical industries, but also food. We have the company known as Monsanto, who wants to use this treaty to basically stop farmers from being able to use their own seeds and not using the seeds that are have a patent and are owned by Monsanto. So, and I mean, when you're trying to take over the internet and block and censor information, and you're also going for a monopoly on the pharmaceutical industry, and you're taking over the food industry, you know, when you control medicine and food, you control everything. You control life. So this is absolutely key issue to be up on right now. So head on over to the weekly videos section and check out the video on ACTA. There's a lot more information contained in there, and try to do your best to raise awareness about this one by sharing the video. Spread it around, show it to your friends and family, post it on your Facebook. It's absolutely key that we raise awareness about this one right now, because there's not a whole lot of people talking about it at this point. Certainly the mainstream media isn't mentioning this. So it's yet again, it's up to us to do their job and try to inform the people. And that's it for today, guys. You're not going to want to miss the show in the next few days. I'm very excited. I have a really busy day lined up today, and I'm going to have some really good shows coming to you in the next few days, so you're going to want to tune back in again on Thursday and Friday. I don't want to say too much, don't want to give too much away, but I got some really good stuff lined up. So that's it for today, guys, and I hope to see you back again here tomorrow on Press for Truth TV. Okay, take care.